Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this P.F. Chang's. This was on sale. You can see the damage on the box and everything. But broccoli, beef, and I guess when I remember when it was in the States, that P.F. Chang was really good. So here's the ingredients. You got and Nutrimel. Let's open this up. Hopefully it tastes just as good. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna cook it up and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the P.F. Chang all cooked up. Let's do a quick taste test. It's got a lot of flavor. It's got like a lot of garlic flavor to it. It's pretty good, guys. Definitely check it out. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.